If you are looking for a way to make your cleaning easier, then this could be it. Let me unbox this. This is the scrubber here, the cordless spin scrubber. Let me actually show you up close. So there's the power button right here. So if I press that, if you hold it down for a few seconds, it turns on. You can see the battery life right there. And you can do it in powerful or eco mode. And then you can just hold it for a couple seconds and it will turn off. And with this, you actually can take this pad off, and it's Velcro. So then you can take the other pad that you want to use and Velcro that one to it. Or you can use that kind of metal pad. This is actually fully waterproof. So you can use this, for example, in the shower or something, or if you have water running in the sink and it gets wet, that's fine. And it's nice that it's rechargeable, and it has 110-minute battery life. So you can see how dirty my stovetop is. So I'm going to put a little of the cleaner on here, and we're going to use the scrubber brush. So I put this one on, and let's see how it works. So you can see, hopefully you can tell, this line is now not black anymore like it was. So I can continue to go around this and clean up the whole thing. And I did use the scrubber a little bit more. You can see how much cleaner my stovetop is now by using that. Okay, here's my sink that is really dirty. I have been bottling peaches and tomatoes. So my sink is very, very dirty. So I'm going to put a little Ajax in here. So you can see that. And then I have switched out the brush so it's not going to scratch my sink here. But let's go ahead and try this out. And let me go ahead and show you. So we'll turn this off here and do just a quick rinse. So you can see a lot of those black marks are gone, which is fantastic. So I'm going to continue to use this and get rid of the rest of the marks here. But I think this is a really, really nice product. And it's just perfect because you can just switch out the scrubbers or the brushes and just clean those hard to clean surfaces really easily, really quickly, a lot more quickly than doing it just by hand. So super nice product. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.